Fuck. Shit. Bollocks. That was not cool. Ugh. She survived. She survived.
It's my life in the box in front of me. Taking chalk in my arms is the soul of me. You walk by, as you see me laying face down.
Okay, this is gonna be a clusterfuck right here.
Hang on, I'm here. Oh no.
You got a juke, you got a dance, you got a dance.
Okay, I'll jiggle around.
I could dance all day!
Boom, headshot! I can dance all day! I can dance all day! Try hit me! Try hit me! Come on!
And the worst that can happen is I hit someone's wing mirror and have to apologise. Like,
Well, that coach is not gonna let us pass, so...
well, you can't filter here. There's a solid white line.
Do you think Premises cares about these rules?
I was like, okay.
These rules that you follow? Oh, so you're not gonna come with me if I do it? Look! What is... It's just a white line!
Fucking hell.
Fucking slalom proven useful. Ah! Whoa, okay, that's one way to stop the bike. Fucking hell. Fucking hell. Giving way, giving way. Gotta watch them signals. Yeah, technically I gave way to the right. You could see he was gonna pull something like that. A lot of drivers do not expect you to do a 180 on a roundabout. Fucking hell, you see that dude? Hey, cheers, buddy. Thanks.
The king is here. Nothing. There is only one.